Before I started my YouTube channel 11 years ago, I used to do a TV gig. Yes, it was called Crank It Up. Here's one of my old shirts. Don't make fun of the name. I did that on CBS TV for a couple of decades, and people are always saying, Scotty, whatever happened to those old videos you did? Well, I dug around in my messy garage and found a bunch of these old videos. So here's some old school Scotty. Flying. Forget dreaming, you can do the real thing on a motorcycle. But if you're planning on really flying around on your motorcycle, there's a few maintenance items that you have to pay special attention to. And here they are. One of the most crucial maintenance items on a motorcycle that's driven extremely fast is the drive chain. To measure the chain to see if it's tight enough, first you got to sit on a motorcycle, then another person gets a measuring tape, and you move the chain at the bottom of its rung up and down. It should be about 1.5 inches, which is exactly what this is. If your chain is loose and has too much slack, you just loosen the bolts here and tighten each adjuster evenly on each side until you have the right amount of slack. If your chain is too loose or too tight, the chain can break off. About 3 decades ago, a friend of mine was driving a Triumph about 100 miles an hour. The chain broke off, hit his shoulder, and broke it. So you want to make sure your chain is right. I personally use these Bosch +4 Platinum plugs, and there's a reason why. No spark plugs are perfect, and they will all misfire every once in a while. But since this Bosch Platinum +4 has 1, 2, 3, 4 electrodes, you have 4 times better chance of the spark firing at the right time. And when you're revved up to 12,000 RPM, those 4 electrodes really make a difference. The last important thing to check when you drive really fast is your tires. Motorcycles aren't like cars. They only have 2 tires. The only spare tire on a motorcycle is on the driver. Pay special attention to your back tire. You want to make sure you have plenty of tread, that there's no bulges, and that there's no cracks. Now here's some mechanics advice. If your motorcycle tires are more than 5 years old, change them out. They may be dry rotting inside and they can be dangerous. Just buy a couple new tires once every 5 years if you still have the same bike. So remember, when you're flying around on your motorcycle, there always comes a time when you have to stop.
Somebody stop me!
Because eventually, you have to come back down to earth and live in the real world. Who am I to be saying that? This is Scotty Kilmer helping you crank it up. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.